What's cooking, everybody? Welcome to my channel. Thank you very much for checking this video out. For those who don't know, I am the Secret Yorkshire Cook, and in this episode we are going to be making crispy pork noodles with chili greens. This recipe serves 2 people, and on the right hand side of the screen you can see the ingredients that you need, and you'll also see the instructions on how to make it all the way through the video. If at any stage, guys, you enjoy this video or you find it interesting or helpful, please smash that like button, drop me a comment below, and do consider subscribing. I really do appreciate it. Anyway, guys, we're going to head straight into the video. What's up, guys? It's only me. Thank you very much for making it to this stage in the video. I really do appreciate it. All you need for this recipe is about 20 minutes and it's made. What a perfect one for a midweek dinner. Anyway, guys, if at any stage you've enjoyed this video or you decided you're going to make it, please drop me a like, drop me a comment below as well, and do consider subscribing. But until next time, guys, stay safe and keep cooking.